WBYX, the ship show, Marina Road Trip sa Niotaghan Bagyon. And this time, leading role na niya sa minamahal sa daang bulan ng para kay Luna. Si Ru, get ready, Miss Ruby will not only leave you breathless but also very delayed as she sings one of the special soundtracks of the movie. Sa Panaginip Lang, are we ready to go? Ano ang para kay Luna? Let's welcome right here on the Robinsons Gallery to the stage, Ashton Roberts! ng mga fans mo dito sa Cebu. You're so loud. Is there anything you'd like to say to all of your fans po?
Siyempre, maraming salamat po sa mga sigawan mo. Mas na-enjoy ko po yung performance ko. And maraming salamat po kasi alam ko, maaga pala nandito na kayo. Thank you so much po. Nakakain naman kayong lahat. Kagagwapa man ninyo. Hoy! Kagagwapo. Hindi man, hindi.
O sige diba, Ashley, kita mo talaga ang dami na nagustuhan sa'yo and we're so excited to see your performance in upcoming Minamahal. Pero di ba may surprise tayo in a few minutes?
Yes.
Baka may surprise tayo, pero Cebu, we've actually been rehearsing something dito for you, Ashley. When it comes to your role, your leading role. So Cebu, managin din siya ha, atong gipraktisan ng maayo. Ano ang para kay Luna?
Oh, kasi parang di ko na kailangan ng boyfriend pagkasama ko kayo.
So ayan, Cebu, before we bring out one half of our leading roles, gusto po natin, everyone all back in your seats. We want you to be part of this. Yeah. And make sure you're all in your seats, especially for those here in the front row. Diligid na itong pag-gausun. Thank you so much, everyone. All the way back in your seats as we bring it out. We're almost there, everybody. All the way back in your seats. Tina, you will not want to miss this Cebu. Kay dinigit na to, ipagawas kung wala mo sa iyong lingkuranan. So Cebu, take your seats. Sit down, Evan. Thank you so much. Don't worry. There's more time to interact later. Sit down in your seats, Cebu. Ay, hala, diligid na lang ako
Ashley
pa
Visayas.
Cebu! Are we ready? Nakalingkod na manangganan! 1, 2, 3, sit down, Cebu. Very good. Diba attentive ka naman nila dito? Masusunurin tayo dito. So with that, parang nakaupo na ba tayong lahat? Hindi naman natin. So by the way, of course, I know we all love our artists. We'd like to especially respect them. So Cebu, ready na ba ta for our next special? Of course. So to sit down and get ready for this performance, up next, kilikod kin mo maayo. And now, I'd like to have a photo op together with everyone, sitting down in their seats together with Ashley. So our official photographer right here on stage will take a photo together with you.
Alright, let's take a picture.
Smile. Smile to you. And so with that, kinsa na may ready sa atong special performance here on stage? Ready na ba mo, Cebu? Who's our special performance, Ash?
Next performer natin.
Meron ba?
Ready na ba kayo? Tawagin na ba natin ang ipay natin? Ready na ba kayo? Okay, isang sigawan naman dyan. Para kay Andres Mula!
na talaga. Yung love nyo, nag-feel namin lahat. We feel the love you guys are giving us here today. So good. Iba talaga. I just wanted to say, I want to thank everyone for coming here today. It's very much appreciated. And I think we still have one more performance. Hold on to that. There's someone I would like to invite to the stage right now. Everybody, please welcome Ashley Nolpina.
yung welcome reception. Do we love them both, di ba? Ah, di ba? Hindi ko lang po. Ano po?
Hihigog mata mo.
Oh, diba? Ang ganda nun. Before anything, kasi this is something that's so special for especially not just Cebuanos, but for the Filipinos, yung movie nyo. So how was your experience working as Rafi and Luna?
Grabe naman yung experience. It's been nothing but a great experience to get to play the character that is Rafi. Ako naman, I feel like I can relate to Rafi's character minsan. And it's really such an honor to get to play this role for a film of Direct JPL.
Ako din, ang naman na kinakabahan ako i-play si... Kinakabahan ako i-play si Luna kasi sobrang layo na sa personality ko. Pero habang nag-take kami, mas nagiging comfortable na ako.
Yes, we're so happy to hear that. Ito yung pangalawang question ko. So we were talking about Rafi and Luna working on them. How is it working with each other? How is the chemistry, the four as lead roles?
Ako, masaya lang kasi since ito yung second project namin, mas naging comfortable kami ngayon. And mas alam mo yun, mas nagtutulungan na kami kasi masasabi na rin namin yung mga bagay na kailangan.
It's our second project together. We're not comfortable with each other, but we're very good friends. So it allows us to be able to portray these characters with,
Oo nga, di ba nakita ni Ashton yung surprise natin, pero si Andres hindi pa nakita niya. Oh. So Andres,
Ano ba yung
may
surprise
surprise si Cebu ngayon. Di ba nag-practice tayo, Cebu? Okay, so, ano ang para kay Luna? Give yourselves a big round of applause, Cebu. Thank you so much.
Yun nga, gusto ko lang ulitin. Everyone, minamahal, isang daan bulaklak para kay Luna. Showing in cinemas starting September 24. Tickets are already available, so please continue to support. Maraming salamat.
Yes, and this is directed by Jason Paul Laksamana. And may ticket selling pala mamaya. Kita-kits po tayo doon.
Now, before we go, Andres and Ashton, would it be okay kung magpapaselfie po tayo dito sa Cebu?
Oo naman!
Sure
Dapat
na.
lang.
Let's go! Our official photographer is now here on standby. Cebu! This is your time to shine! With Andres and Ashton! Alright, Cebu, eyes One more time, are we okay with the video? Okay lang ba mag-video tayo? So grabe, Cebu, it's time for you to support naman in one big video. I want everybody in unison to say, minamahal isang daang bulaklak para kay Luna in cinemas September 24. Kaya ba? Kayahan natin, alright? So may pa-trial mo tayo. Trial practice. In 3, 2, 1, everyone says, go! Minamahal isang daang bulaklak para kay Luna in cinemas September 24. Ayan, ready na ba tayo? Alright, so, can we have the go signal? Magka 3, 2, 1 countdown po si Andres at si Ashton.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Minamahal isang daang bulaklak para kay Luna in cinemas September 24.
Thank you so much po! Magsalamat!
We also like to bring up here on stage Joanne and Aubrey and Dana to have a a photo op together with our beautiful Luna and our very handsome Rafi. So once again, calling on all of our front acts and musicians. One last photo. Robinson's Gallery. Cebu, this one is for you. Picture po tayo together with the whole entire ensemble of our motor of minamahal isang daang bulaklak para kay Luna right here in Robinson's Gallery of Cebu. Thank you so much. One more together with the crowd. Our photographers will be here on stage for those who would like to capture this moment. Everyone is on fire for today. Grabe talaga yung suporta natin, especially for Minamahal. So all of our photographers are here up on stage. We'd like to call them for one huge photo together here in Cebu. We'd like to invite all our photographers, friends of the media here to capture this shot. Everyone, smile! Ano ang para kay Luna? Thank you so much, Robinson's Gallery of Cebu! There we have it. Thank you so much, Andres, Ashlyn, Lemon, Aubrey, and Dana. For those who would like to bring personal for all of our cast of the Wall Tour and our front acts, don't forget to go to the cinema natin advance ticket selling. O kinsa may naangat ko, none other than everyone here on stage. So anong gusto mo up close and personal with all of our cast? You can go up to our Robinson's Movie World Cinemas to have your photos and get your tickets now. Showing September 24, Minamahal, isang daang bulaklak para kay Luna. There we have it, Cebu. Thank you so much at maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga pangapito sa Minamahal. Isang daang bulaklak para kay Luna. So you're gonna be seeing them. Pupunta sila dito sa ating cinemas for those who are going to purchase their advance tickets. Pwede nyo ta maka-meet and greet nila. So with that, everybody, say bye! Say thank you! One last time, Cebu! Ano ang para kay Luna? There we have it. This has been Minamahal. Isang daang bulaklak para kay Luna. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, Andres Mula, Ashley Novido. We also have all of our front acts here. Dewan and Aubrey and Dana here on stage. You can see them on our 444 cinemas. So kinsa ganahan mo malig og tickets. Apil kay sila'y muhatag ninyo.